We are now on the drug legalization homepage. At the top of the homepage is a summary of the issue written by the Gale Publishing Company. Click the Read More link to see the complete summary. The summary is an objective overview of the issue with links to additional information. For example, if we click on the marijuana link, it shows us related articles to the topic of marijuana and drug legalization. In addition to summarizing the issue, this section also includes pros and cons to help you see both sides. The summary is divided into sections to further explain different aspects of the issue. When we go back to the top of the page, we can see the Explore sidebar that provides additional articles and related subjects. To get back to the drug legalization homepage, we can either click the previous page link or drug legalization in the breadcrumbs. Each section of the home page has specific types of curated sources. You'll notice that the heading above each box has a number and that there's only 2 or 3 sources listed within the box. If you want to see the full list of sources, click the heading. Now we can see the full list of sources within that section. Again, to go back to the home page, we can click on drug legalization in the breadcrumbs. That concludes this video, and happy researching!